don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my friends on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 2. I'm joined by Chwaka Parks.
Hey, I'm a fans wethu. The final Champions League. Awuphindi usho. Ngikuzwile ngathi khona lapho sale khona.
Che.
Ama fans wethu.
Yes.
The final ye Champions League.
Ama fans wethu. Ne final ye Champions League.
Yako yabo bongayifaki le final kumele caca ukuthi ama fans wethu abebukele i-final ye Champions League.
Ngiyakubamba.
Awuzweke. Bafo ibhola linemihlola.
Too much.
Bola lithatho pass limse phezulu lithatho phezulu limginqe pass. I think Tibozi ngike ngawonisha iMamelodi Sundowns ngento engicabanga ukuthi sibebhaya akukhona nje lapha abalandeli bakhona bake bangethuka kakhulu ngulo muntu kongarespond uma ngabe umuntu umbonisa esaphushwa uthando. Yabona ngizocela abantu manje kuthina abalandeli bebhola sengizocela singene ngesibindi singangeni ngenhliziyo ngoba inhliziyo ziyephuka kuyosiza futhi lokho ukuthi njengasilithanda nje lebhola cha ke siyeke inhliziyo ngoba yomani ihlukumezeke njalo sehlukumezekile inhliziyo zabalandeli bebhola la ngaphandle ake singene nje ngesibindi isibindi asinalo ithambo okokuqala nje ngakhuluma ngokuqashwa kwaKhadoso ngathi imedia isitshele ukuthi uKhadoso uyo replace uManqoba Mnqithi engenalo kwaCup kwi history yakhe kanti kwangathi iSundowns senze iphutha ixosha abantu asebenama cups awu7 kwi history yabo iSundowns ne service yabo se more than 10 years abanye 5 years bethatha ama cup iqasha umuntu ongena cup kanti maybe mhlambe bazomenzela iCV yakhe enhle but iCV engiyaziyo azayithola ibenhle eyeligi kuphela ezinye izinto ngeke ize bayithole ngethukiwe lapha abalandeli bebhola
But
bangisho the way engizonda ngakhona iSundowns kodwa mina ngangizama ukuadvise ngaze ngakhuluma no bathu bani nomlungu
Flemingberg.
ngathi indlela uFlemingberg enze ngayo manje kuSundowns isitayela sakhona sishintshile ngaso sikhathi sesakhuluma ngepride ebeyikhona yongafaki ushalulile iSundowns manje wena ngabo ma 1-0 I think loyo click yama fans wethu bayibuka babuya bamfixture ushalulile sashintsha isikole seSundowns yaqala iSundowns ashaya amagoli amaningi eswazi i-semi final yokuthi iSundowns iye kwi-final ye Champions League I think babuyise ilegend enedlozi labo ngama last minute bangiphazama nizongikhumbuza mhlambe kwasokusele abo ma 10 minutes
Ungena umshishi.
wangena uThemba Zwane first touch kaThemba Zwane yangena very dangerous
Goal.
wayivimba ugoalkeeper second you forced kwaba on goal iSundowns yayapi
Finals.
straight final first final ebese Loftus umshishi kwayithola nje that honor ukuthi ndodo sithema sifaka wena wasisa ku final kwayithola
Nix.
second final yokugcina ke manje ukuvala ishaft ebese iCaro uyitholele utest
Lutho.
shuthi sometimes ukuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu umbonke efile ungambonge saphila into yenzeke kuMamelodi Sundowns babone kungcono umthiba than umshishi anyway ke asiboni ngokufana kodwa ke into engiyaziyo ebholeni hleli kunama issues okuthi ayabalimaza abadlali ngoba kuke kufake ama injury thiwa iplayer ne injury uthi mawukhuluma nalo iplayer lekutshela ukuthi mina nginawo injury leyo
Ngimna.
bese ubona lapho ukuthi ya ama minding games everywhere
maningi
kulungile ke mfowethu ngingakakhulumi kakhulu ake ngithathe lelithuba mangiphuma kwaza sekhaya ngisazobuya lokubonga ama branch we Pirates abekade eyosupporta ibranch yasekhaya umzimkhulu branch ngokushonelwa iformer chairperson yethu ebesibeka ubaba umqulusi eZulu ngithi ukuphuma all out in big numbers ngiyabonga ngibonge no region we lower South Coast region umzimkhulu branch namanye ama branch ophasi kwawo engibala abomzinto branch abo Harding abo Kokstead abo Potchefstroom manenge abozingolweni abo Underberg manenge ngiyakwaqeda ngithi ngiyayibonga isupport ukuthi uma sitshena abantu ukuthi masithanda ibhola kuno 90 minutes esopha ama team wethu siwa supporta nabadlali after 90 minutes kunomsebenzi omkhulu owenziwa ama branch ngiyabonga ukuthi ifamily yakaZulu ebesikade sike Xobho eMorning Side iyasivulela izandla zozimbini ukuthi beniphila naye nihamba naye siyanikeza igwahidi ukuthi nifakaze ngaye ngiwabonge futhi namakhosi nama Sundowns abekade engxenye yethu ukuthi ke mase khulunywa ngokufa sisupportana each other eyethu iwosa abalandeli ka 90 minutes and futhi ibhola lemnandi ngokugwarana uma singangagwarani sibe serious sonke singa end up isports singasenayo ivavavuma ngithi nje ngiyabonga kakhulu bonke amabhakaniya abekhona namakhosi namasandawana umsebenzi ekababa uMagebo umqulusi uhambe ngesizotha simbeke ngesizotha ngokuthula ifamily nayo yabonke wow even nama Christians Roman Catholic Church ebekade ishoste ngehholo was unbelievable ukubona bakanti ifootball bayazi kwi TV bemengazi elinye page ngifuna ukuthi ke kubo bonke abalandini abazama ukuthi basijwayeze ukusondela ema branchini because ama branch anokunye ukonara akwenzayo uma kuthiwa when days are dark friends are few kodwa ama branch wala ma team wo2 ayafika wona mathupha lapho esiganekweni saleyo member yabo hayi ama team wethu cha ngifuna ukusho amanga ngithi ngizokhuluma kahle ama team wethu ngithi hayi ama team wethu ayafika ayosincwaba hayi cha mfuthu hayi cha lokho akwenzeki nangephutha lokho akwenzeki nangephutha kodwa ke kufanele futhi because sama millions ngama millions bazo treat abantu special bayeke bani that's why ke ngithi is very important ukuthi umlandeli othanda ibhola akanga risk akabeke ebranchini azi ukuthi uzothatha imoto yakhe ayipake khona bahambe ze team why ngikhuluma kanje kuna la kuginqa khona izimoto ngithole i-call kuthiwa lo muntu owe Pirates according to impahla azithenga ngakhona eze Pirates should bese fonelile ke office in Paris bamreferele kumina mina ngibuza nje into esimple ukuthi baba wekhaya siyaye izinto ibhlungu sithi condolences on behalf of abalandeli beParis kodwa engokusiza ngako kuncane kakhulu ubekade ekweyiphi branch but hayi ubengekho ebranchini ngithi nama nginawo amandla ukuthi ngingadlulisa umlayezo ema branchini ukuthi let's go and support ngifuna ukuthi umuntu othanda ibhola akaqala azimanage yena ukuthi ukuyiposition eright la ikhona ema branchini ungayeli futhi ama politics yela nje ukuthi kube lula ukuthi ibranch ihambe nawe uyobukela i-team yakho uyokusiza lokho ngibonga kakhulu angibuye khina ufuna ukuphefumula mngani
before Joga Bucks uchubeke ngicela ukuphazamisa kancane asibonge iSemamelodi Sundowns into enhle iyabongwa singabheka ama negative kuphela sibonge iMamelodi Sundowns management team yonke lento abayenzile inkulu kakhulu like ukuthi bathatha ama supporters abayisele eEgypt ukuthi bo support iMamelodi Sundowns siyabonga kakhulu ngoba khona amalunga wethu esihlezi sinawo labo tikomikana nabanye abo lentuzane lo baba lo engathi zika i2 yabo naye ungale eEgypt siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ngathi namanye ama team angabheka la ukuthi ngaphandle kadingeka isupport kakhulukazi South Africa mayidlala nayo ngathi ngakopa ukuthi no akuthathwa abantu abawu3 kuphela iCountry angeke izihlulwe iCountry angeke izihlulwe iTeam you understand iMamelodi Sundowns ihlula iCountry Uyangunderstand? I-country yiyo mele ihlule lama team lawo i-Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates. Uyangunderstand? So sithi congratulations Mamelodi Sundowns, deep my heart, deep inside of my heart. Ngiyabonga kakhulu lento eniyenzile ngaphandle ukuthi sikhuluma inzondo sikhulume ini, but into abayenzile and then yinhle kakhulu, and then ku Club World Cup ngezwe ukuthi bazobathatha abanye bayele phesheya bafethu. So uyabona ukusupport ibhola ubona indawo eningi ukuhlukahlukana kwazi, as long uloyal ku team yakho, you understand. So management Mamelodi Sundowns angishayela ihlombe.
Nawe sifuna ukueda
No, uChiefs ikhona into like iyaphila bo.
No before khuluma ukueda ngoba siyancoma okuhle. Asikwazi singayiva nje sithi nje kancane ngoba siyancoma. Umsebenzi engicabanga ukuthi wenziwa uMambushi Daniel Umdawu kwi-supporters desk, because kumele sincome lo lokuqhaza le-supporters desk masibona abalandeli away from home eCairo ngobuningi. I-platform kaMambushi e-supporters desk show of which ama-supporters njenge-ele unesandla ukuthi waselecte kanjani, futhi ngale ndlela sazi ukuthi siyababona besigubhu, sibabonela boJozi, sibabonela bosemi and others and many more. Siyabonga. And true bokhona no-minister we-sports wase-South Africa Gaten Mackenzie okokuthi uhleli esikhulumela thina ukuthi kumele supporta i-country in big numbers. For sure naye manje ukukhulumile wakubuza ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi Sundowns ikhiphe abalandeli abaningi ngale yandlela, of which our next bafana game makiwa le sizobe sibona mhlawumbe noboJwaka Bucks bazaba nenhlanhla nje ukuthi abalungisa ama-passport wabo seyizo expire kodwa
into engayithandi ne Sithibo, ngicela ukuthi mangabe ngibongisa amanye ama-team ungacompare ne-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs kimi ifana nengane, ngiyayithanda ngisoze ngihlukane nayo. So mangibongisa abanye ungathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ngimele ngiyenze kuze ngibe lapha uthando elikhona and impatho engitholayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So yonke into kimi i-100%, but ngithi amanye ama-team kakhulukazi squad asikope singathatha abantu abawu-3. You understand? Singathathi sesiyazi ukuthi squad madlala obviously khona abantu abanjani njani, angifuni ubala ngamagama abazoba khona. So abakope kuma Mamelodi Sundowns i-country never ihlulwe ama-team like Mamelodi Sundowns, abo Kaizer Chiefs, abo Orlando Pirates. Yes.
But awufuna ukuba nekhosi.
Ikhosi ngihlezi ngihamba nalo all over la siyakhona, and then namanje passport yami, and lalela ile interview ya Jwagha lena interview ya Jwagha, mara ipassport yami i-ready. Ubheke next season se-Africa uzangibona ngizoba ngikhona. Yes,
asibuyeleke manje sozoyivala ngoba soyayivala manje. Sibonge ukuthi Sundowns ikwazi ukusimela CPSL. Noba uyathanda awuthandi uma i-team i-representa i-competition tomorrow, i-Chiefs ezoba u-number 1. Izoba u-number 1 tomorrow. I-Kaizer Chiefs na ihambe represent those 15 teams. Loko without fear or favor, ipain angicela ingalendi eNashurena umanga umuntu enze kahle ukuyosirepresenta iSundowns. Sisazo continue bafowethu, siyabonga bazamile behluleka, although abalandeli beSundowns bebe nenkulumo ebeyithi iStar sePirates sesiruse kakhulu, sebethathe years and years bona esesibili siyaload. Unfortunately, this is a football. Awazi ukuthi uyibambe isavela ngenhloko, lindi iphume bese uyayikola. Manje na umsebenzi sobhekene nabafowethu bebeqashiwe ukuthi banze ijezi leSundowns eleStar sesibili mkhulu kabi umsebenzi. Engicabanga ukuthi ababuye futhi bazobancedisa ngoba liya ayino manje iStar sesibili siyasuswa. Siyabonga
babJwagha, ngicela ukubuza something before lento zani, njengoba uthi bebamele thina, uyizwile inkosi isikelela iculo lapho
nako ke lapho ngethuse khona ukuthi makuyi-final ye-Champions League why i-national anthem wawalamazwe wo-2 ingazange i-represent.
Ungathuki-ke i-Sundowns ayinayo i-national anthem. South Africa ine-national anthem.
Bebamele mhlambe uyintshontshe kumina ngazi. It's the first time in history ye-Champions League sibona ifinal idlalelwa kunga amathikiti without sold out. Without sold out, of which the end of October 57 na 23 supporters is true because mangibheka lapha besifezela ku TV bengibona ingane ezincane zodwa of which inokwenza ukuthi babe ku entrance
pyramid ya 2008 hayi 2008 ina 17 years
shukuthi nje impela ke
17 years.
uyabona nje lesade behlela abalandeli beSundowns everyone libone bel empty lonke bokwabalandeli nje beSundowns lonke from corner to corner of which kuyabona ukuthi bengekho sold out because iSundowns bayivumelela uhlala lapha if was a limited ticket bokumele le ndawo bayishiye iblank yonke okwenza bengabi nama questionable and okwesibili Tibosi ngoba sabalandeli bebhola kunesitshalo engasithathanga esenzeke kwiCAF if they are purchasing say kune VAR abangakhohlwa phela ukuthi iVAR sesiyayibukela kulamathimo wonke amakhulu asibukeli that's a communication referee communication and then base babhale kuthiwa ureferee njengamanje usasesikhathini se-VAR but uya communicate lo muntu azange asuke straight ayobheka as a referee allow ukuthi makune accident go and explain usheke iVAR bathi resume and byback base badayi abuye secompete
and namuhla
zonke izinto ubetshenwa lo mshuthe ngiyibone mniVAR
iMamelodi Sundowns namuhla bebayizama ndoda uyazi ukuthi
VAR mhlawumbe abanye abalandeli bebhola
uyazi ukuthi namuhla ama-minutes adlaliwe lapha egroundini ayingakhi
mina
107 minutes edlaliwe lapha yana babathe izokora iSundowns izokora dolo lo
ireferee ecommunicate iVAR angibona nginixolele abalandeli bebhola mangabe iVAR nina niyibonile is only Jwaga Bucks kuphela ongayibonanga iVAR kule final yanamhlanje just ngizibona nje ureferee ecommunicate abekubhalo lapha phansi kuthiwa checking VAR but ureferee azange aye kuyichecka iVAR if nginamanga ngicela nivene ngibulale ngife ngoba kusho ukuthi ibhola ngisalazi
once. Thank you, Chair.